Let's learn about callback in Flutter and Dart. For that, we will take a real life example. Suppose at Jana's home today is a dinner party. He has invited his colleagues and friends for the party. To prepare for the dinner, he needs some groceries. So there is a nearby supermarket where Ramesh is the owner. So he make a call to Ramesh requesting him to deliver some of the groceries. So he made a request there. After receiving the request, Ramesh replied, "Sure, I'll pack the groceries and I'll deliver to it. And I'll make sure I'll call you back once that is done." So Ramesh is making sure he will call you back. If we see in this example, Jana is making a request through a function which Ramesh is accepted, and he will notify or he will call back to Jana once a request is done. So let's dive into the actual code. Here we have two pages. One is home page and another is a grocery page. If you see the layout on the screen, we have a home party as a title, and then some description about like we have a party at a home and we need some groceries sorry, and I'll call Ramesh a CTA. So in home page, if I go to that elevated button, it has a onPressed function which will on click of it open a new page, that is grocery page, and to this page we are passing a callback function, that is show message, which is accepting a amount as a string. So it's a responsibility of Ramesh to tell after he packed all groceries how much bill Jana has to pay. So I'll click on this button. Now we came to the grocery page. The callback is already passed here now. So once calling you back is pressed, Ramesh will tell what was the actual cost of the groceries or bill he has to pay. So it's a 9,000 I passed to the callback. So I'll click on calling you back CTA. So now my home page has received this data, and if you see, thank you Ramesh for delivering groceries, I'll pay a grocery bill of 9,000 rupees, because grocery page has returned us a data of 9,000 rupees. It's a string. So my show message is accepting a string here. So I assign it to grocery bill, and the same bill I have updated to this text UI. Thank you Ramesh for delivering grocery, I'll pay a bill of 9,000 rupees. So this is a case where we have to pass a data. If we don't have to pass a data, we will be using void callback rather than function string. So that's all about callback functions. If you like my video, please do share and subscribe. If you have any queries, please do comment in the chat. Thank you.